Let's hope a Preds game this weekend,
Oh,
too.
yes, for sure.
Yeah, so they got to win tonight, though, first to get that to keep that hope
on 'em.
alive. All right, from a weather standpoint, beautiful weather out there. If we could just hold on to this for Thursday.
Wouldn't that be great?
Yeah. All right, let's show you what is happening right now. We head to Cookeville on our camera at Tennessee Tech for you this morning. Cookeville right now, you're 73 after a morning low of 44 degrees. Check out what's happening right now with some of the other temps from around the area. Nashville, we were in the 40s earlier, but right now 75. Still in the 60s back over toward Crossville now. Waynesboro 74 and 73 out of the Bowling Green area. So into the afternoon, warming up to right around the 80-degree mark. That's a little bit above the norm. Our normal high for today is about 72, but looking good for us this afternoon. Here in Nashville, around 80 winds out of the south for you this afternoon, around 5 to 10 miles per hour. And there you can see still looking good. Maybe some high clouds rolling in at times, but good weather for the Sounds too as they wrap up this homestand. First pitch is at 6:35 with San Antonio. We will look ahead to the 7-day forecast coming up in just a few minutes, but right now Vicki is here with a check of your news headlines. Good morning.